My name is Susie Corey. I'm the project specialist of metalworking at QualiChem Metalworking Fluids. At QualiChem, we manufacture premium cutting and grinding fluids that are used in the cutting process. If you think about manufacturing holistically and you look at your Okuma machine and you think about all the different pieces that go into that, coolant is just one factor of it. However, it is very important. And it's important because you have to maintain it properly, and if you do that, it helps your machines last longer, it helps your tools last longer, it increases productivity throughout your entire machine shop. QualiChem manufactures premium, innovative fluid technology, metalworking fluids including coolants, straight oils. We also have a line of cleaners. We value our partnership with Okuma because it's great to partner with companies that have a like-minded approach in that we both value customer success. Okuma offers high-end machines and we offer a high-end coolant that will help increase the life of that machine.